come back here again.
Oh my
Fuck this planet.
Skelly did.
It went through the fucking roof.
I don't know.
and
I
landed on
ran.
us.
A robot dropped on top.
I have to get stamina back. It takes so fucking long.
Hey, Chops, S rank for $150 fucking dollars. And you wonder why?
Skelly, I like your stop sign. Can you smack things with it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
You're so dark. I'm afraid of the dark.
It's okay. You can grab my butt.
I'm a scared bunny. I'm a scared
Yeah, now I'm tempted to put on that song. It's okay.
Do they move?
No.
You piece of shit, Mo! Ah! Ah! Help me! Oh my God, please! No! 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 Please! No! Oh my God, they're all moving! Oh my God! Oh! Juke! Juke! I'm a Juke! Please! Please! I have no stamina! I have no stamina! Oh my God! Oh my God! So we learned a lesson today, boys. We learned don't fucking take the power core on that planet. Item.
Is he alive? Oh.
Oh shit!
What?
Biscuit for the biscuit, he said. No, we're gonna lose the bunny soon. No!
Fuck bunnies. Ah!
I will.
Trust you will be a great asset to the company.
No!
Chubbs is dead.
Oh, oh my God! Hey,
He
hey,
won the hard
hey!
way.
Drop that motherfucker!
That thing. They find the path. They killed Mammo. Be careful. They killed Mammo. And they took the
You gotta be loud. I can't. That's how you do it. It was working, right?
But they killed Mammo and they took his horn. They were like wielding it like a fucking
Wait,
player does.
the horn?
Yeah, they're holding their fucking wing.
It works. They get scared. Oh! Skelly hit the button! Skelly hit the thing! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
What happened?
A dog spawned and the fucking bird was fucking him up until he bit it. What the fuck was that interaction? Wait, hit it, V-type ended. Oh! Fucking suicide bombing. What you doing, bro? Get away from me, motherfucker.
Where did we come from? This way?
I kind of ran a bunch, but you know, I'll figure it out.
Oh! Spider!
I'm gonna go a different way. What the fuck was that? you shoot me when I'm moving or not? Okay, so when I'm not moving. Oh, hey. Hey there, buddy. Hey, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Not found anything interesting.
Hey, what the fuck? He's got a knife! What the fuck? He's got a knife! Holy shit! Oh my god!
That turns the light. Maybe if someone's in the ship, they're gonna hate you. Someone's gotta grab. I can't go through. You probably that bridge is. Hey, Jobs. I'm gonna need your help, bro. Come down here. Come down. Here we go. Stick together. We gotta get back to the ship.
Oh god, let's get out of here. I am gay. I am gay. Gay. Penis and balls. Get away from me. Hey, nice. Oh, hey. Fuck
that.
It came for us, bro.
Wait, he's inside.
Inside? Do we have a shovel or anything?
Oh.
I know what we got. I got this.
Oh, we got that. That.
Oh, I fucked up
Jobs.
immediately.
Right here. Okay, come on, let me throw it.
Hey, back up. Oh,
Wait,
he's a grenade!
You're goated.
I'm critically injured though. I'm very injured.
Stay inside. Hey, come here, nigga. I see Skelly.
Oh god, I see that.
Oh god.
Skilly though.
I see it.
Whoa! What do we do? You think he would understand?
Wait, they're fine. Also, shut up. Is he dead? Is Skelly dead? Oh.
Is he dead?
We got help.
You get him now, dude. There was no way. There was an eyeless dog outside our show, bro. He would understand.
Oh, there's a giant now, so
My name is Chubbs, and I am proud to be walking back to my family. I got cola, bake pan, and nothing else. We're gonna sell this and maybe go to a planet. I am recording, and people like to say slurs. Oh my fucking god, I guess I'm just gonna